Tell us about it.
Got a good buck right here. Squirrel's been running around the whole time, and I was like, man, that sure sounds like a deer walking. Right about then, he came out. Nice deer right there.
He was like 25 steps.
And dropped him.
What about that gun?
That is an old gun right there. My grandpa used that gun. Still works really well though.
I think the last deer he killed was in that stand with that gun.